In this video, I'll show you several ways to earn stickers in Monopoly Go. Method number 1, finishing quick wins. Quick wins are short mini games that you can play to earn stickers. These mini games are usually simple and easy to complete, and they can be found in the quick wins section of the game. To play quick wins, simply tap on the quick wins button and select a mini game to play. Once you complete the mini game, you'll be rewarded with stickers. Method number 2, progressing through milestone events. Milestone events are special challenges that you can complete to earn stickers and other rewards. These challenges usually require you to reach a certain level or accomplish a specific task in the game. To view your milestone events, tap on the Events button and select the Milestone tab. As you progress through the milestone events, you'll earn stickers and other rewards. Method number 3, finishing top 3 in a tournament. Tournaments are competitive events where you can compete against other players to earn prizes. To participate in a tournament, simply tap on the Tournaments button and select a tournament to join. If you finish in the top 3 of a tournament, you'll be rewarded with stickers. Method number 4, spinning the color set wheel. The color set wheel is a special wheel that you can spin to earn stickers and other rewards. To spin the wheel, you'll need to collect color set cards by landing on properties of the same color. Once you've collected all the color set cards for a specific color, you can spin the color set wheel to earn stickers and other rewards. Method number 5, being gifted stickers from a friend. Another way to earn stickers is by receiving them as gifts from friends. To send stickers to a friend, simply tap on the gift button and select a sticker pack to send. Your friend will receive the sticker pack and can use the stickers to unlock new properties and power-ups. Method 6, buying sticker packs through the store. Finally, you can also buy sticker packs through the in-game store. To access the store, tap on the store button and select the stickers tab. From there, you can browse and purchase stickers packs using real money. While this is the easiest way to earn stickers, it does require spending real money. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.